how to redeem a code on G2A. Got a code for G2A and not sure how to redeem it? Whether it's wallet funds, a game key, or a promo discount, here's how to use it step by step. So start by going to g2a.com and logging into your account. If you don't have one yet, sign up. It's free and only takes a minute. And once you're logged in, go ahead and hover over your profile in the top right corner, and then from the drop down menu, select redeem code. This is where you'll enter your voucher or product key. So this is where you can enter the code that you want to redeem. So simply enter g2a.com/plus/redeem gift card. This is where you'll enter your voucher or product key. Enter your code exactly as provided. Codes are case sensitive, so click redeem, and if valid, your reward will be applied instantly. Depending on the type of code, you'll either see the wallet funds added to your balance or receive a product key. For game keys, copy the code and activate it on the correct platform: Steam, Origin, Xbox, or PlayStation. And that is how you redeem a code on G2A.